Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can change your country on Amazon. Many different reasons why you might be doing this. You might be traveling, you might want to get delivery in a specific region. Maybe you've moved, maybe you've emigrated to a different country and you need to update your Amazon app. Nonetheless, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. As I get into it, smash the like button, subscribe for more hints and tips, and let's get started. Okay guys, so here I have my iPhone. The first thing we need to do is actually load the Amazon app. The easiest way to do this is to click in the middle of the screen, just hold there, drag it down, not like that. Just click and drag down, and then you'll end up with the search bar. From here, what you can do is you can just search for Amazon, click on the Amazon app when it pops up there, and you can load Amazon. Right, once you're inside Amazon here, the first thing you need to do is click on the U icon at the bottom left-hand side. It says Home, U, Cart, and Menu. Click on where it says U, click on there. Now, once you're in this particular section, you can see top right-hand corner, you have a little flag next to EN. This is actually where you find your country and your language all at the same time. Click on the flag icon that you see, and in here you load the country, the region, the language, and the currencies in which you want things to be displayed in. Now, you can see here that I'm currently in the United Arab Emirates, but I also can just flick between different jurisdictions and basically have my Amazon account work in different countries. For example, when I'm in the UK, I just simply click into here and I change this to the United Kingdom. My language stays the same, my currency stays the same. Likewise, if I want to basically visit the UAE where I am right now, I can go ahead and find, if he says, the United Arab Emirates, click on that. And of course, it's going to put the currency there as AED, but I can click on that and I can change that back to Great British Pounds just by doing that. So my country is whatever I've selected, in this particular case, the United Arab Emirates, but my currency, I want it to always be in the Great British Pound, so I know and understand how much I am paying for something rather than having to deal with a different currency, for example. So this is how you do it. You basically can change your jurisdiction and where your orders are coming from and where they're going to be delivered to, right? Whilst also simultaneously controlling the language and the currency that everything is converted in. So you might be paying for things in AED, but it will be representing the prices to you in Great British Pounds as an example, okay? And once you're happy with it all, you just click on done and that's it. You've now changed your country within the Amazon app. And guys, it's as easy as that to essentially change your country within the Amazon app and have your deliveries anywhere you want in the world. If this has worked for you, found it useful and informative, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more hints and tips, and I'll catch you all in the next one.